Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and complex password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none, which is non-security password. Now let's select swipe, which is also non-security, and now let's select PIN. To create PIN, enter at least 4 digits. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select complex password and enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Enter it and simply register. Now tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face recognition and scan your face. In this area, and now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.